Having trouble charging the Xbox controller is faced by a lot of people. Fortunately, the ways to fix it are also fairly simple, and in this video we will go through all the possible reasons why your controller isn't charging. First of all, note that in order to charge your controller using the console needs to be turned on. Now the fact is, almost all of the times the reason why your Xbox controller won't charge is either the charging cable, the charging ports, or the battery. So what we're gonna do first is check our micro USB cable, examine the ports for damage and clean them. Also clean the ports of your controller and console using a cloth or a cotton swab and some isopropyl alcohol. To clean the insides of the ports, we'll use something like a toothpick and scrape it gently to remove any debris that may be causing the problem. If that doesn't fix it, then try plugging it into a different USB port, change the charging cable, or try charging a different controller if possible. Also try charging your controller using another power source and see if it charges. This will help you pinpoint the root of the problem. If your cables and ports are fine, then check the battery. Make sure the batteries you're using are rechargeable. While you're at it, take some time to clean the metal connects, then put back the batteries and check if they're charging. Additionally, sometimes the batteries may have been moving around, which can cause them to not charge. To fix that, fold a small piece of paper or take a piece of low density foam and place it on the battery compartment. Then put in the battery and close the lid, and this should fix it. If the batteries still won't charge, then they may be worn out. Put in a fresh pair of rechargeable batteries and they should charge. Lastly, check if your console and the controller have the latest update installed just in case. And after following all these steps, you should face no problem charging your controller. As you can see, our controller is fixed. Unfortunately, if none of it worked for you, we recommend you to contact Xbox support for further assistance. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like. Tell us which troubleshooting method worked for you in the comment section, and feel free to share your questions or feedback with us, and we'll see you next time.